Q5 2-liter flex fuel. Water pump leaking. I got the old one out. It's there. It's a plastic unit, as I suspected. It is leaking at the bearing in the front. That's what all that crust is. Yeah, plastic housing. They all leak. There's the old spark plugs, air filter, cabin filter, obviously the oil filter. There's the intake manifold off, fuel rail, flaps. There's the old PCV valve that I will replace. Ignition coils, fuel rail. Right now I have one can of solvent split between all 4 cylinders. See if I can give you a shot in between. Basically the cylinders are full with that carbon solvent. Come on. So they're all, see how it's moving? They're basically soaking. All 4 are doing that, and they will soak for at least 24 hours. I'm probably gonna leave it for the entire 2 days that I'm working on the car, and then I'll spin the engine every 12 hours to get that solvent in all the nooks and crannies, especially in all the piston rings. Here's the carbon buildup on the intake ports. It's pretty gnarly. That's really bad. Look at that. So all that I will clean up. I will walnut blast it. I've got the intake flaps dissolving carbon over here. As you can see, they are just as bad. These are pretty much stainless steel or aluminum. They don't have a color. The black thing is just carbon, and this liquid started up clear, and now it looks like balsamic vinegar or coffee, so it is working. So yeah, we are all torn down. I've got some parts in stock, some parts I order, and they are arriving tomorrow, and then we'll put it back together and see how it runs. I've already changed the air filter and the cabin filter. It's right there. And spark plugs are coming tomorrow as well. I've got a new oil filter for it, and we'll give it some synthetic 5W40 European spec. That Valvoline oil that was used in this car is the wrong kind. Yeah, it says 5W30. That's way too thin. Maybe okay for a Honda, but not for these engines, so I will rectify that. Anyway, long or short video long, this is where I'm at right now. This is just a video update. I've completed the teardown session, so now cleaning up everything, cleaning up the carbon. I will do a carbon job on it shortly, and then tomorrow we reassemble the engine with new parts and go from there.